What's the best coin to buy right now? That's one of the most common questions in crypto. But there may be an even more important question that almost nobody asks. How much should we risk? The truth is, a good setup can still become a bad trade if the position is too large. Hey everybody, Joel with the Crypto Code here. We help everyday people understand crypto through practical education, research, and proper risk management. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research, and never risk money you cannot afford to lose. A lot of traders become so focused on finding the perfect coin that they completely overlook position sizing. They find a setup they like, feel confident about it, and put far more money into the trade than they should. But confidence is not a risk management strategy, and no trade is guaranteed to work. That's why position size should be based on risk, not on excitement or certainty. Imagine two traders entering the exact same trade. They use the same entry, the same stop loss, and the same profit target. On the surface, it looks like they're making the exact same decision. But one trader is risking 1% of their account, while the other is risking 20%. Those are two completely different trades. If the market moves against them, one trader takes a manageable loss and lives to trade another day. The other may lose a significant portion of their account from a single decision. The chart didn't create that difference, risk management did. This is why we calculate risk before deciding how large a position should be. First, we determine how much of our account we're willing to lose if the trade doesn't work. Then, we measure the distance between our entry and our stop loss. That distance helps determine the proper position size. If the stop loss needs to be farther away because of the market structure, the position usually needs to be smaller. If the stop can logically be tighter, the position may be larger. But we should never move a stop loss just to justify taking a bigger position. The chart should determine the stop, not the size of the trade we want to take. Leverage makes this even more important. While leverage can increase potential returns, it can also increase losses much faster. That's why leverage should never replace proper position sizing or sound risk management. Position sizing isn't the most exciting part of trading, but it's one of the most important. The goal isn't to make the most money from one trade. The goal is to protect your capital so you can keep making good decisions over the long run. Before your next trade, don't just ask if the setup looks good. Ask whether the amount you're risking still makes sense if the trade doesn't go your way. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more practical crypto education and join our newsletter where we share a free weekly trade plan. Let us know in the comments. When you enter a trade, what do you usually decide first? The coin or the amount you're willing to risk? Stay safe, stay smart, and always trade with a plan.